Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create a online banking account on Kindred Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a kindredstatebank.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Kindred Bank, you scroll to the little down. There you can see online banking is here. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on Enroll Now. Here you need to click on Enroll Now. For the enrollment in the Kindred Bank, you need to provide the following details. Starting from the very first, you go in for providing your first name, last name. Then you go in for providing your address. Provide your city, state. Then you provide a zip code. Now you provide your home phone, your work phone. Now you go in for providing your email address. And at last you go in for providing your social security number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on Submit Application for Online Banking Account where your form will be submitted. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Kindred Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for a online banking account on Kindred Bank. Thank you.